Hey guys, so today you and I are going to talk about QAs. So let's get into it. So the question in question was, Frederick, I'm currently working as a QA and I am a beginner. Will the software testing experience be a problem when I apply for my next role as a software developer? No, it's not going to be a problem, most likely. Well, it might be a problem. I'm not going to lie. It could be a problem, but for the most part, no, it's not going to be a problem. Because the thing that should matter is whether or not you have the skills to do the job. Now, there are some cases where people might go, oh, you used to be a tester, then why are you a software developer now? I want a software developer, I don't want a tester. Uh, that sort of thing might happen, but at the end of the day, most people are so desperate to find anybody who has decent coding skills that as long as you can do the job, that's that's the thing that they're going to focus on. In some cases, there might be a slight benefit, or like a slight perk to the fact that you used to be a tester, when you try to become a software developer, because some people will I mean, you can sell it that way as well. If somebody asks you about your experience doing testing, try to give us good spin on the thing and say, well, I have been a tester and a QA, and I don't know. You can say things like I was involved in some of the automation work or engineering, automation engineering, which is a very big thing because a lot of companies are, well, everybody needs to do testing, and most people don't want to hire a bunch of testers, but they're really, really interested in someone who knows how to set up automated end-to-end tests and things like that, which is it's a problem in every single company. So if you can make that sort of spin on the thing, that's going to give you some, yeah, it's not going to do the whole, it's not going to seal the entire deal, but it's going to be a very positive thing for your for your for your company. They're going to take that as a very positive thing. Uh, but for the most part, if you haven't been involved in that sort of work, it's really only something that is sort of nice to have. It's not something that someone's going to care all that much about. It's similar to a junior developer who says that I don't know, I used to be involved in mentorship programs and stuff like that at my school, and like the employer will go, oh, that's nice, and internally they go, oh, that means that they're probably social, they're sociable, can work with people, and that like mentorships and stuff like that means that they're passionate and stuff like that. It gives you a good feeling. It's something that is worth telling someone in an interview. It's not the main thing, but it's a very nice complement to already most hopefully strong software skills, because those are the things that always takes priority. So what I want you to take away from this is that it's definitely not necessary. Well, sometimes it can be a bit of a problem if you used to be a tester and now you want to be a software developer, because some companies will kind of go, oh, why are you switching? I want someone who's been focusing only on the development. It's not that common, or it can happen, but I don't think that you should worry about that all that much, because even if they ask you about it, you can make a very positive spin on the thing and just say that, well, yes, I was a tester, but most of the work that we did was automation and test automation, and then you just explain. And I know that that is a big factor for a lot of companies, and I thought that was really interesting, and I think that for this company I can offer the same sort of thing. I mean, the work that we do is of course primarily about software development, but when the system grows big enough, it's really important for us to automate a lot of our testing process, and that's going to save on cost, and I can probably give a lot of useful tips in that area. So now you're spinning it into your favor, and I can promise you that is something that a lot of companies will find to be a very big benefit when it comes to hiring you, because test automation and quality of product is an extremely hard problem to solve, especially at scale. Have a great day.